Can you believe this video was taken right in the middle of the city? Not a biodiversity park, not the outskirts, it was taken in the garden of my office. Hi guys, welcome to the first episode of Exploring Fauna. Fauna is basically every living thing that surrounds us. In the first episode, we are going to take a look at a very interesting and different friend of ours who is always talking to us, and all we have to do is listen to them. These are the birds. Did you know there are over 1,300 different kinds of birds found only in India? These birds are categorized into many types. To simplify, I will tell you some types of those birds. So there are some birds that depend on water. They eat fishes, they live near the water, they swim in the water. These are called the water birds. So what are water birds? They live in the water or they are dependent on water. Then there are ground birds, which means these birds stay very much on the ground. They don't have a very high flight. You won't see them flying very high, but you will see them on ground and like to a certain height, but not too much. Then there are perching birds. Perching birds are the ones that sit on the tree, who have claws that can grasp the branch. Then there are raptors. These birds eat other small birds. Yes, even birds eat birds. So these are big birds that eat the smaller birds. There are so many amazing looking birds. We'll see some of them here. Now, you may wonder, where can you find all these birds? The correct answer is right next to your house. Yes, you heard me right. You can see some of these birds right next to your house, sitting in your balcony or outside your window. Definitely you will have to go out to a forest or a lake to sight some of them, but a lot of birds can be found outside your house too. I will show you what birds I saw during the lockdown outside my house. And they have become my friends during this lockdown. They talk to me. No, I'm really not kidding. They really talk to me. Wait, I'll show you. Hey, how have you been? Looks like you've had a bad day. Let's listen to some music. I made tea while listening to their amazing music. Yes, I did. And I did talk to all my bird friends. Why don't you go and try to talk to them as well? After that amazing conversation with my friends, I will tell you some facts that you may not know. Do you know which is the largest bird of India? If you know the answer, then pause the video right here and comment your answer below. The largest bird of India is the Great Indian Bustard. It is approximately 1 meter tall, which is the height of a cricket bat, slightly more than the height of a cricket bat actually. Do you know which is the smallest bird of India? Pause the video and comment your answer. The smallest bird is approximately of the size of your car key. Yes, it is just 8 centimeters small. It is called the Tickle's flower pecker. The Tickle's flower pecker. Okay? Now, do you know which is the fastest bird? The fastest bird is peregrine falcon. It can reach from Mumbai to Delhi in just 3 to 4 hours. Isn't that amazing? I have a small contest for you all. The 3 winners of these contests will get featured in our next video. So make sure you comment your answers below. The question is, how many different kinds of birds have I spoken about in this entire video? Okay, I'll repeat the question. How many different kinds of birds have I shown in this entire video, including the images, the examples, everything? You have to tell me the total count of all the different kinds of birds that I have mentioned. So make sure you comment your answers below so that you get featured in our next video. Till then, if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to Nature Shala. Thank you. Bye.